What's going on, guys, and welcome back. So, we got the final review video on the Fujim Toyota Janito forklift. So, I'm really sorry I'm really out of it because it's really early in the morning before I gotta go to work to get this to my boss. But I want to do the final to give you an idea how it looks after I'm done with it. So, we got in this case, and well, like I said, I'm about to get it my boss, so it's really early. It's like not even 7 right now. So, but yeah, let's get out of the case. It's all ready. So as you see, it looks fantastic. That's how it turned out. We got the powder there. I was actually gonna put some on there, but I really couldn't figure out what to put on there. I was gonna put some old tires on there. I wasn't gonna use, but I just don't leave it as it is. The pellets alone, they look pretty cool. I kind of like how they look. But okay, wow. So we got the main model here, and as you see, it looks really awesome. I really love how it turned out. So this is 1/32 scale, I believe, instead of on the decal sheet. And I gotta say, this one actually wasn't easy to put together. It was a really good kit from Fujim. Fujim makes amazing models, but for being so small and there being for so many fiddly parts, it was actually not that easy to put together, surprisingly. But we got it, and it looks pretty good. So the orange is tamaya, just flat, or tamaya orange. It's a gloss orange, and then the gray. All the gray parts are tamaya, just dark gray. That's what it's called, and that's what Toyota uses. They use orange and dark gray. That's what the colors are. And then the mass itself is always black. And we did get our red tips on the forklift. Looks fantastic. The black wheels. I mean, I just can't think of anything to muff up this. This means actually very cool. I really love how it turned out. The idea inside looks like light. There we go. So, see, get the dashboard in there, and it is glossed. This is only 2 coats of clear coat. I know a lot of you guys said I should beat it up, weather it and stuff. If this was actually going to be my model, I would have done that. But this is for being my boss. I wanted to look like I actually rebuilt it, because if you saw my first update video on this, I paint forklifts. I make old junky forklifts look a million times better, and I paint them, and I do clear coat them. My boss makes me oh my gosh, sorry, it's so early in the morning. My boss makes me clear coat them and make them look shiny, because he does make them pretty shiny before we sell them and stuff. So, but yeah, I mean, I can't say anything enough. It looks so cool. If I can find another one, if I can, I'm definitely going to get it, and I'm definitely going to build out one for myself and weather it up. Put some... Now, forklifts, they don't really rust. They're not really rusty vehicles, because it's a material they use. It's like spot rust, so if you're planning on building a forklift, you can find one. Don't only put holes in it, because forklifts, they don't typically rust. They just spot rust. So they don't rust like crazy, but cars do. Like on the kind of weight they do rust, but it's just spot rust. You can just, what I mean by spot rust is you can just grind the rust right off, and it's just bare metal behind the rust. So yeah, forklifts, they never rust. And on the headguard and stuff, there's no rust at all. They never rust up there. They chip, paint chips obviously and stuff, but yeah, there's forklifts, they never rust. Just so we know. The ones that do rust is Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi, they use car material, even though it makes sense because they're a car company, but Mitsubishi is the only manufacturer, forklift that rust is pretty bad. Toyota never rusts. Nissan, they never rust. And all the other companies, they never rust. So just keep that in mind. I never had a rusty forklift but Mitsubishi. But that's how it turned out. let me know what you think. I just want to show you this before I give it to him. But we did cut out the name of it right there, put on the case. So that's how it's gonna look in the display case. Display case is actually kind of, there we go. It's kind of hard to put this cap on, but there she is in our glory. I did put my name on it and stuff. You can kind of see your name tag and stuff. But that's how we're gonna give it to him, and it looks really, really good. So let me know what you think. I just had to do a short video on it. I was gonna do it yesterday, but it got too late. So, because I literally just put this together last night, get it done and get it out here. Now I just got the semi-truck to finish. But, and speaking of semi-truck, you'll probably see an update video on that tomorrow. I was gonna post that video today, but I'm just gonna get this out of the way. So, we got the interior of the semi-truck tomorrow. Then it might be the final after that video on the semi-truck. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry I was kind of out of it because it's really early in the morning. I was getting ready for work. But until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.